We'll guide you through how to make line graph animation in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Alight Motion app on your device. Once the home screen appears, press the Create New Project button located at the top of the screen. A project settings window will open where you can adjust the project settings. Configure the settings according to your preferences, then press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside your new project, tap the plus button near the bottom of the screen to add a new layer. From the available options, select Vector Drawing. After opening the Vector Drawing tool, tap on the canvas to place points and connect them together, forming the shape of your line graph. Once the line has been created, select the first point of the graph. On the left side of the screen, enable the graph option for that point. Modify the graph handles until you achieve the desired curve and smoothness. Next, move to the second point of the graph and enable the graph option there as well. Adjust the curve handles to refine the shape of the graph. After finishing the line shape, tap the graph layer again and open the color and fill settings. Turn off the color option by clicking the left option. Once the fill settings are complete, open the border and shadow section. Turn on the stroke option and select the stroke color you want to use. Then adjust the stroke thickness until the line is clearly visible and matches your design style. Open the Effect browser. Navigate to the Matte, Mask and Key category and locate the Wipe effect. Add the effect to your graph layer and select the Transition in Right preset from the available options. Finally, open the Wipe effect settings and adjust the values until the animation looks the way you want. You have now successfully created a line graph animation in Alight Motion.